3, 2, 1. Don't do-it-yourselfer. Flashlight can charge phone.
Del here again. Following up on a previous video, we delineated the finer rudiments of this particular flashlight unit. One of the items that we didn't put in the mix was the fact that it can charge your phone. So that's what we're going to do right this moment. Plug it in, and naturally it's, I think, upside down. So there. So there it's going. At 72%, and so it's just another use for this. And you can see that the four blue lights on, those 4 LED lights are on, meaning that it's fully charged. And this time we left it on all night long, and it didn't need that long to charge, but it didn't overcharge, and there was no damage to it. And so I'll reiterate, once we're here, if you move that camera, I can show you how this will affix to something metallic. Can you see that? Right there? And you can see it pulls it out of my hand. It's that strong. So in a case like this, we could just, watch the cell phone charge. And again, if you have a place that, say,
I don't think you're supposed to do that with your phone. Your phone's not supposed to hang under like a bag.
Well, it's not. Well, it is.
I know.
If you have a project, say, and something like this is behind you, something metallic, you can use this and put your light where you need it. And so, here in this case, it would be right over my shoulder if I had to read something or had to look at little parts, or I needed a light just to see what I'm doing. So this is just a continuation of things. And let's see if this phone is charged any from what we started. I think was 72. Hey, we're at 73 now. Ha ha ha! Now, is this a wonderful little invention or not? And this is, since we've got a close-up here, this is what they're calling the weapon part of this. I don't know if you're out camping or something, if you're gonna jab a grizzly bear or something with this, but that's their just another item that they say is one of the finer points of this unit. So there you have it. It's not only charge your tablet. What other Android devices can you think of?
Yeah, anything with a USB. Usually you use that in like a pinch, like if your car broke down and you had this flashlight.
Car breaks down, you got the flashlight, you need to call, cell phone's low, charge it up. Now, where can you get that kind of advice, valuable advice, anywhere else? So anyway, there it is. Anything USB can plug in there. This was from a previous video. Again, it's got a hook, it's got a button, and it's rechargeable. So if it's charged, again, you're in a situation you need some kind of light, you can hang it. Maybe up here would be something if you had to read something like a map or another important life-surviving piece of information. This could help you, and this doesn't need to be plugged in. Originally, to charge it, yes, but you can take it out, unthread it right out of the socket, put the hardware that it comes with, and you got the button, you got the hook, and it's pretty convenient. Don't know yet how long the charge lasts, but it just generally speaking, charges these days seem to last longer. Case in point, that cordless vacuum that I've been using. What are the other items? Oh, that little gun that shoots screws. That seems to hold a charge pretty good. So I guess assuming is not the same as telling facts, but I'm expecting this to work out pretty good. It seems like a pretty versatile and useful little item there. It's to make your life more convenient and safe. Del, the do-it-yourselfer, signing off for now. Adios.